Hi, in front of me is TCL for the next paper, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening settings and clicking on Bluetooth section right away. Following that, hit gray sweater at the top and then select device name. Now you can type in wherever you wish to, and to save your new name, hit rename in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!